Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, the viewers. In front of me Pixel 8 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix the trouble when screen isn't responding on our device. So basically it's because of two reasons. So first reason is the physical damage of your screen, and if you have damage to your screen, unfortunately I can't help you with it. Because you need to take your device to the customer service, but sometimes it's just because of Android, okay? So Android sometimes freezing, and in these situations we just need to force restart our device. And to force restart your Pixel, you need to press and hold together power and volume down button if you have old Android versions, but if you have new one, you need to press and hold power and volume up buttons during 15 seconds max. So after 9 or 7 seconds your device will be force restarted. But if you have a difficult situation with your freeze, so maybe you need to wait for about 15 seconds. So press and hold. As you can see, I'm still holding. And after 15 seconds, release both keys and wait for 5 seconds or something about it. And then just press and hold just only power button. As you can see, now my smartphone is not enabling, so it means that I just need to wait. So as you can see, my smartphone has enabled. So what the force restart is? Force restart is the feature when your smartphone is disabling forcefully and it's clearing the cache. It will not clear your private data, your apps, contacts and other data. No, it's just clearing the cache to fight the errors in your system, and in this way you will be able to use your smartphone normally. But you need to wait for about 1 minute, maybe sometimes 2 minutes, and all will be great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.